Hello, everyone there at Classic Paving and Seal Coating. My name is Charles, and I just wanted to send you a few tips to help you improve on your online asset and help you attract more customers. And the reason I'm doing this is because I've realized a lot of business owners do not have the time to invest in finding out what helps them rank the best in Google searches. We know these days about 90% of people, of adults, use the Google search box to search for local businesses around them. For example, if I was looking for driveway sealing and I lived in Lehigh Valley, probably type in driveway sealing Lehigh Valley, PA, and look at the companies that appear on the top on the front page. Google statistics say out of those 90% of adults who search for local businesses, 70% will stay on this first page and click a company on this first page. So it does matter being up on the front page of Google. You will get a lot more traffic. One way I can show you this is by using a tool called Ahrefs. It's a popular tool, and I took the liberty of plugging in the same keyword, driveway sealing Lehigh Valley, PA, and I see that 40 people search for that per month. And by domain, I can see which companies or which websites get how many people. Now, if I look for here we go, classic paving and sealing and sealcoating.com, your position is 48 in Google, and that's why you're not seeing a lot of traffic from this one keyword. However, if we were to work on your website, apply the 3 tips I'm going to give you, you would climb and be able to grab a few more of your competitors' traffic share. By the way, this is just for one keyword. The more keywords, buyer intent keywords your website has that have a bigger search volume in your area, the better, the more traffic you would see coming into your website. So the 3 tips I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content has to do with everything here on your front page. Oops, I wanted to select everything. Everything that's highlighted, all the text, pictures, the text behind the pictures, all of this Google considers as content. Even what the images are saved as. See, this image, one image is saved as a random string of letters and numbers. It would be more optimal to save it as a keyword. Google considers your site optimized if it has about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text up front. So I can see you probably have around 200 to 300 words of text. I would definitely increase them. Authoritatively, meaning showing exactly what you are, where you service, what locations you service, what you do. And it's also pretty important these days to have a call to action. I can see you have this request an estimate. It would be nice to have an actual form submit. Because we tend to see, instead of clicking, these are 2 steps, clicking and then submitting a form. If you had the actual form just on the front page, it would be more convenient for your customers or your potential clients just to fill it out. That's it for content. Citations is next. Now, when I did the search, first thing you see are the Google ads, and I always tell people it's hit or miss. A lot of people these days have ad blockers, so if you do use a Google ad and it's blocked, you're missing out on a lot of your target audience. Right below the ads is what's known as the map pack, and the way to rank here, it's a map with 3 businesses. The way to rank here is through citations. Citations are wherever your name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories across the internet. Directories like Yelp, Dexnos, Better Business Bureau, LinkedIn, superpages.com, yellowpages.com, whitepages.com, etc. There are tools out there like WhiteSpark, and another one is called Bright Local that you can use to find out where your competitors are cited. And then you can match their citations But you don't want to do that. You don't want to only do that. You want to increase your citations till the 50 to 100 more than your competitors, so that you remain at the top of the map back. Third thing I want to talk about is our backlinks. Backlinks have more to do with this section down here called the organic listing section. Now, if you think about backlinks if you think about the internet as a whole collection of web pages, a backlink is where one link on a different web page points, or rather directs traffic to you. The more better, higher quality backlinks you have, the more Google will consider you more authoritative and rank you higher for each of your keywords. Now, not all backlinks are the same because, and I'm going to go ahead and take a look at your site again. I put it into this tool, Ahrefs. You can see you have 24 backlinks from 6 domains. Let's take your, here, Jet Black Driveway Service. This is a top competitor of yours, and we can analyze their backlinks. And we find that they have from 14 referring, they have about 23 backlinks. They are ranking though for a lot more keywords, organic keywords, than you are, 243. So to match their backlinks, all you'd have to do is come to each of your competitors, find out what their backlinks are, make sure you have the same kind of backlinks, and probably double their number. Just one last thing, I want to talk about keywords again. You can see that for driveway sealing, Lehigh Valley, PA, your competitor, 40 people search for that per month, like we saw. They're getting 5 people because they're in the second position. So you can see that you get more traffic for each of the keywords that you're ranking for. Driveway paving, Lehigh Valley, 50 people search per month. They don't get that much because they're in position 16. So those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about. I added an extra one, keywords, but the 3 things I wanted to talk about were content, citations, and backlinks. Feel free to use these tips, give them to your website person or your SEO person, and have them implement them so you can see more traffic going your way and hopefully converting into more clients and more business per month. If you like what you've seen and you want to save time, again, I am Charles with Warley Digital. This is my phone number here. My email address, and my phone number is 215-372-5797. Thank you very much. I appreciate that you've taken all this time, and have a good day.